Yes, go, 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 Reagan, go, Reagan, go, go, Reagan, go, Reagan, go. Go, go, Ryan. You're welcome. You're welcome. You want to go, girl? Reagan, go run through the water. Huh? You want to put your... You didn't run all the way through it, Ryan. I dare you run through it. You just gonna back on into it? I hear you. Gonna go for it. That's right. This is whatever it takes. What's wrong with you, little girl? Reagan, what you up to? Ooh, it's all you wet. Go back in the water. Ryan, why do you have, look at me. Why do you have on a shower cap?
Because I don't want my hair to be.
Why don't you have on a swim cap? What your sister has on? Why don't you have on a swim cap? That's right.
Can you buy me another one later?
Yes.
Okay. That would be cool.
Bye, Reagan. Run through the water, girl. Reagan, you said...
Don't. Scary cat.
Show your muscles, Ryan. Reagan, you gonna go get in the water? Okay, run through it. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go. Go, Reagan. Go.
Mommy.